Hey everyone, so I want to send a big thank you to Amyla Cosmetics for sending me their hair growth serum to try for my personal review. So this company is a hair care brand, and this serum that I have is designed to help women with natural hair to have longer hair. I do have a coupon code above in case you're interested in any of the products on their website after you get done watching this video. I like how they have several different products to choose from on their website that focus towards natural hair care, and I also appreciate right here where it says if you do not see results in 2 months, you will get a full refund. Alright, so this is what my hair is currently looking like right now. I do have it in a protective hairstyle, just some twists with extensions. My scalp is kind of dry right now, so this is an awesome time for me to go ahead and do a first impressions with this serum right here. So I'm just taking my hair down, making sure everything is detangled. So I'm just basically taking the eyedropper and placing it in between the parts and rows in my hair, just making sure to get it everywhere, and then I'll massage that in. But right now I want to just tell you really quickly what the ingredients are in this oil. It has coconut oil, carrot oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, almond oil, vitamin E, Biotin, and organic peppermint. So all of these oils are super good for keeping your scalp moisturized, healthy, and also promoting hair growth. I normally try to keep a hairstyle like this in maybe for around 2 to 4 weeks, just to keep my hair protected and to limit the amount of manipulation that I have to my hair, because I noticed that the less manipulation, the greater the length retention for me personally. Now I've already did my scalp. Now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to do my edges, because you definitely want to focus on your edges and around your nape. Those are areas that are definitely tend to, be susceptible to breakage. So just want to keep those areas healthy as well. So I'm just going to go in with a light scalp massage for about 1 to 2 minutes, but I'll cut it short for this video. Just get it in there really good. Now this is a few little clips in the bathroom, just showing you how the oil, it does absorb. It doesn't sit on the scalp, kind of like castor oil. It does actually absorb into your scalp. But I mean, I love castor oil as well. Don't get me wrong, I love both of these oils actually. But this is a great alternative if you do not like a heavy oil, if you would like a light oil on your hair instead. So what I'm doing right now, I'm actually taking the product and I'm going down the length of my hair. Since I've already done my scalp, I'm just doing the length. If you guys would like a hair update in the next 2 months using this oil, just let me know down in the comment box. Make sure to check out the links that I have for you down in the description box, and also check out some of these recommended videos. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.